Okay, we got the brisket finished. It was about 14 and a half hours, and then about 2.5 hours resting in a cooler. I like to separate the point and the flat before I slice it. So you can see the fat layer here. This is the flat. It was fat side down. This is the flat, the lean part right here. And I'm just gonna kind of come in here and just kind of feel. It's pretty easy. You can feel the fat layer. It almost will separate by itself. And just cut all the way as I did. Turn it this way for me to slice it because I'm right-handed. Always slice against your grain. So now we got a few pieces cut up. We can kind of take a look here at you can see it's perfectly tender, juicy. It's got a real nice, probably about a 1/2 inch smoke ring. Taste. Very good. You got juice just coming out of there. Okay, overall, I'd say that's a success, and that's how we do the brisket. I'll try and move this out of the way where y'all can get a better shot of this. Let's see if I can move it out of the way here a little bit. We can get a better shot of this. But that's it. That's how I do my brisket. Thanks for watching. And we'll hope you watch all the videos in this series. Bob out.